know, right?
Eastern half of the Roman Empire. As Christianity spread, the letters and texts which accompanied it were written in Greek in addition to Hebrew. Over the centuries that followed, the Bible has spread across the world through its translation into over 1,300 different languages, with new translations beginning all the time. Tyndale was ultimately put to death. John Rogers took up Tyndale's path and compiled Tyndale's English translation of the New Testament and Coverdale's translation of most of the Old Testament. When this English Bible was published in 1537, the attribution read, translated by Thomas Matthews. Historians concluded it was likely assumed or Tyndale was named. Occupied the New England territory. He printed his Algonquian translation of the New Testament in 1661, the first Bible printed in America. 2 years later, in 1663,
but the conditions during the Ice Age that followed the flood would have led to heavier and more frequent snowfalls throughout Britain. The amazing story of the Lost Quadrant shows us that these are not technical readings. Once again, we see that observable, testable, and repeatable science contradicts the secular belief in millions of years and confirms the truth recorded in Scripture.
My scientific colleagues go to places like Greenland, the Arctic, they go to
sacrifice an animal for the clothing too.
That's what he said. The earth is filled with violence and sin, he said. And he is grieved by all this killing and hatred and unspeakable acts. He is grieved. God is grieved. And God, this is no joke. Now, if you are wise, you would turn from your sin and seek God so that you may be spared. And you too as well. I have no power to choose the animals or the people who come on my ship. But I will welcome all that God gives.
Great to know there are. Never mind, there is life insurance.
Is that it?
That's it, we've got it all.
If I got it all, will you question me? You are authorized to question my word.
Yeah. Do you have the picture, Dad?
You want to capture this essence?
I love it!
Taking care of the animals would have been an all-day job.
Okay. Sum sang ber kan lon mek ani kal mek lâu là mấy lâu khóc mà tiếp tục mấy lâu này
We hope you're having a great day. It's like we wanted to make sure you do something high-tech virtual reality experience called True Travel. Travel back in time in car, the river down, and use special time machines to visit over, fly around the yard, and under the water. Attention back. We hope you're having a great day. We wanted to make sure you didn't miss our high-tech virtual reality experience called True Travel. Travel back in time with Pop, the Lumber Guy, in the special time machine to visit Nova, fly around the yard, and under the water.